Okay, this will be an interesting one. If we can make it look good. Right. How big are we going to make this? That's a good question. I'm going to make it 400. Alright, what are we going to do with this? Going to add some contrast, copy density. We're going there. Whoops. Okay, let's see what this one is. It is a piece cut out of a Woolworths shopper-docket. Well, it's probably, I don't know which company called it shopper-docket, Coles, Woolworths, but yeah, docket advertising. So what you get on your receipt, or your docket as it's often called, is, yeah, we're going to make this look interesting. Hopefully it'll be interesting. So yeah, it's just a docket, just a little, that's what you normally see on that. It's just like a docket, but it's got advertising on the back. Everything's becoming prime advertising real estate, you could call it. But anyway, that looks interesting. I'm wondering if we're going to use that or if we're going to make a better one than that. Let's see if we can make it better. So we're just going to play with the buttons so I don't lose my settings while I'm setting up. I'm just trying to get it. So we're just going to line it up again like that. And we're going to move it. Okay, it's not easy doing this at 400%, I must say. Let's see if this is a better master copy that we've made. If this is, yeah, that looks good. Except for the Woolworths logo, but you can't always help that. Right, we're going to work on it. I think that's good enough, I think. We're just going to throw this on the recycle pile. And we're going to work on this, make it look better. So we're just going to set up for copied paper. Maybe we can enlarge that off the page. That would look a lot better. So we're going to go here. And we're going to make our horizontal is going to be large. So we're going to make it 136. And the vertical is going to be 104. So we're going to make this into something interesting. We're just going to go here and see. Damn, this user interface is hard to control. It wasn't as bad as sometimes. So we're going to the darker end. Going to make it negative positive, and what a colour or background colour are we going to give this, if we can? I am thinking blue, magenta, yellow, cyan. This is so much colour. We're going the blue for this. Anyway, we're gonna leave it like that. We're going to do it a bit differently. Let's see how we go. So we're just going to put this on the glass like so. So this is it. We've got to enlarge that ugly Woolworths logo out. So we're just going to lie that on there and just overlap it so we don't get big borders, which look absolutely ugly in a mirror image job. So let's see how we go in negative positive this time. Okay, I just heard the scanner squeak a little bit, folks. Let's see how we go. See if this is an improvement. Whoa, that looks interesting. That looks really strange. Doesn't look like the background colour has taken to it very well, except the background here. So it still looks good nonetheless. And we've gotten rid of the Woolworths logo. We still have that writing, but that's all right. It might make some kind of feature. So we're just going to print this off as we are. Stabilizing image. Please wait. Typical Konica Minolta functionality. Well, it's this, I don't know why they do it like that. I don't know how much of it is a gimmick or not. It's obviously part of the programming of this machine, which has the same features of machines of distant generations, except they've just changed the layout, the way the user interface operates, and they make it into a fucking scroll, you know, like a mobile phone-ish functionality, so to speak. And it's not a very good functionality. I often accidentally scroll too fast on that thing. It's just so difficult to control the scroll motion of this user interface. So this scroll motion is really difficult. Sometimes I touch a button and it just goes across like that or like that. It's really dumb. It's really cluttered. You've got to get used to where all the features are, the ones that you want. Otherwise, it's just a pain in the ass. Like most things that are made for money, it's a pain in the ass. They just care about money. Konica Minolta care about money. This is what I have to say to them in protest. Fuckwits. Anyway, enough about that. We're just going to put this image together. Let's see how it looks. See how this shopper docket looks now that we've done something interesting to it. Something that makes it look a lot more interesting apart from its usual boring advertising. I don't buy things off shopper dockets. I don't think I ever have. I might have once, but I don't think I have, from knowledge. I don't tend to follow what advertising tells me to, unless it gives me enough information about a product I actually need. But that looks really nice, and I really like those colours there. So I think now we can call this one quits. Looks good.